Hi, I'm Paul Darley, and thanks for tuning into our May issue of Inside Darley. We're actually here at the FDIC, and today we're memorializing Bill Darley, my father, who just recently passed away after the age of 89 after an incredible life. And our first attachment here today is a copy of his quotes that he gave to all of our employees. He'd put them up in our bathrooms, even above the urinals. There was no getting around them. He would write personal notes to our employees. But cheers to Bill, just a great person and a great icon in our industry and a great dad. And I'll tell you, it's kind of fitting because today we are introducing at our booth just a ton of new technology. We've got new drones that have FLIR cameras attached to them. We've got infrared, and then we've even got VR where we're doing virtual reality firefighting. We've got situations where you can go and you can train on an aircraft fire, you can train on a kitchen fire, a car fire, a house fire, a propane fire, a gas fire, all different types of firefighting situations. You can measure your performance against others. And actually our second attachment comes from a group that I belong to called YPO, a Young Presidents Organization. It's just about disruptive technology. So look, this talks about the Internet of Things, it talks about drones, it talks about cyber, it talks about AR, AI, you name it. So you might want to check that out if you want a little glimpse of what's ahead in the future. Also in our booth, as we go through, I'll tell you, we've got a couple of our brand new salesmen here. We've got Bruce Ireland, who will be covering our pump sales here in America. We've got Chris Gannon, who's new with us. He'll be covering Latin America and the Caribbean for us. So great to have you guys on board.
Thank you, Paul.
As we travel on through our booth, come on through, guys. As we travel on through our booth, we also have, just as a reminder, the Kubota engine, both in the 39 horsepower and 34 horsepower and 59 horsepower, due to emissions changes. If you're buying those pumping engines from us, which is one of our most popular engines, we have to have orders into our engine supplier by May 15th. We have to have all pumps shipped to you by December 31st. So that's to meet the Tier 4 EPA requirements. And so if you have any questions on that, just reach out to me or any of our engineers. And thanks for tuning into this issue of Inside Darley. If there's anything we can be doing to assist you, we hope you reach out to us.